These red-hot mesquite logs fuel much more than a wood-fired grill. They fuel the heart and soul of Bacanora. Named for Sonora, Mexico's famed agave-derived spirit, Bacanora is a love letter from chef and owner René Andrade to his home state.
So Bacanora is Sonoran-inspired food and actually Sonoran-rooted food. I'm from Sonora, and those are my roots, you know? So going back to the last question is like, it came when I was like, it's my time to express who I am. It's my time to express my roots, my name, and Sonora. And that's why Bacanora came about, right?
The restaurant's website describes Chef Andrade's food as wood-fired Sonoran comfort. His food also paints a vivid picture.
Sonoran, like mesquite. Think about mesquite, think about fire, think about death, you know, think about spicy, think about the ocean right next to us, the Mar de Cortez, you know, so think about like the romanticizing those things that, you know, you can put together, right? That it can be like from a chiltepin on top of a beautiful scallop from the Mar de Cortez, you know, to a taco and a very beautiful like flour tortilla.
From his first real restaurant job as a dishwasher at 17 to studying at the Scottsdale Culinary Institute, his mentors read like a who's who of the Valley's culinary greats.
All this came about for feeding people, right? I mean, working with amazing, like, talented, like, mentors in the city, obviously, you know, like, from the Bows to, like, Chef Sylvanas to, like, you know, Matt Carter's and all the people that has been there for me, you know. Like, they always, like, had something in common that was feed our community.
This young chef's culinary commitment goes beyond feeding his community. He wants to uplift and help others aspire. When named the 2024 James Beard Award winner for Best Chef Southwest, he did not take sole credit.
But it was winning for the city, you know. It was never like, it was always intended for me and the restaurant, but that was like something that the city got. Like the city, like, it kind of like, you know, when you go to the machines and you're about to die and they ask you to put more coins, that was a coin that like started more fire on other chefs too. And like, you know, understanding to be like, hey, I can do that too. And like, it goes to all of us, you know, like, especially me, the people I work with and the people that works with in the city, you know, like we all can get there. Ooh, that looks good. That was very good. You guys about in for a treat. You guys are gonna love this one, yeah. In this one, we're gonna have, you know, like the short rib asado, which is being like the agave type of short rib, 1/4 inch like thickness, and then it's glazed with our homemade glaze, which is kind of like escabeche glaze. And then on the side, you're gonna have a cucumber salad to cut the fat, right? And then the peppers obviously over the grill, and a green onion, and the Mexican bulb onion. These are the most signature dishes that we have on our menu. I mean, this corn is the corn that got us into best restaurants in the nation by Esquire. And that was a picture. We were number 21 in the nation, you know.
If you're like me, getting to finally taste these signature dishes has taken months. That's because getting your name on the list for one of these 32 coveted seats is a sprint to the phone line. Reservations open the first of every month and fill up in less than 15 minutes.
This is our first time. My friend Lisa has been waiting for months to get in, and she was nice enough to extend the invitation to us to join her. We walked in, and from the very beginning, from the drink to the 3 appetizers we had, were exceptional. This is an incredible restaurant.
Bacanora is more than just an award-winning restaurant. It is an expression of love and cultural identity, beautifully intertwined and served to a community hungry to experience Chef Andrade's Sonora.